Welcome to Wellness This Way, where we explore health tips, tricks, and stats. I'm Marianne, and today we're addressing misconceptions about protein quality. We'll compare 6 foods with misunderstood reputations, including peanut butter, and provide tips on how to consume them wisely. So let's dive in.
Here's something to keep in mind. Understanding the quality of protein that you're eating is important because take, for instance, high-quality proteins. They help prevent hunger, they help prevent sugar cravings, and they help maintain muscle mass. Throughout this video, you'll see a term called DIAS, or DIAS score. That stands for Digestible Indispensable Amino Acid Score. This is a system for estimating protein quality of human foods. It allows for the calculation of the amino acid quality of the food proteins that are based on ideal digestibility rather than the total tracked digestibility, and values for each amino acid may be calculated.
First, let's look at peanut butter. Peanut butter is a popular choice for adding protein to your diet, but let's examine its full nutritional profile. The good news is peanut butter provides 8 grams of protein per serving, and it contains healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. But the con about it all is that serving has around 16 grams of fat and 6 grams of sugar, high in calories, which can contribute to weight gain if overconsumed. So here's what you want to do. You can enjoy your peanut butter in moderation. Use it as a small addition to meals rather than a main component. Opt for a natural or an unsweetened variety to reduce the added sugars and the unhealthy fats. Next up, let's talk about protein bars. They often boast high protein content, typically 15 to 20 grams per bar. They're convenient and they're portable. However, they also contain 15 to 25 grams of sugar and 200 to 300 calories per bar. Some brands even include artificial ingredients and high levels of sodium. So let's be cautious. Check the label for added sugars and artificial ingredients. Choose bars with low sugar content and fewer additives. Use them as an occasional snack rather than a daily staple. Moving on to nuts and seeds like almonds and chia seeds. Almonds offer about 6 grams of protein per ounce and healthy fats. They're packed with vitamins and they're packed with minerals. The con is 1 ounce of almonds contain about 14 grams of fat and 160 calories. The high calorie content can lead to weight gain if they're not eaten in moderation. So your caution is to be mindful of your portion sizes to avoid excess calorie intake. A small handful, about maybe an ounce, is usually sufficient to enjoy the benefits without overdoing it.
Chia seeds are often touted as a plant-based protein source and a superfood. Chia seeds contain about 4 grams of protein per ounce, but they're not particularly protein dense when compared to other plant-based foods like lentils or beans. Additionally, the protein in chia is not highly bioavailable because of the high fiber and anti-nutrient content, which can hinder digestion and absorption. The ratio of omega-3 acids in chia seeds is more notable than its protein quality.
Next up is cottage cheese. It's known for being high in protein with about 27 grams per cup. So the good news is it's high in protein and it's high in calcium. It also can be low in fat if you choose the low-fat version. The bad news is, though, that it's high in sodium with about 800 to 1,000 milligrams per cup, and it's also not suitable for those who are lactose intolerant. So your caution here is to choose a low sodium or reduced sodium variety if you're watching your salt intake. If you're lactose intolerant, I would consider a lactose-free option or maybe another protein source.
Quinoa is often promoted as a complete plant protein source because it contains all 9 essential amino acids. Although quinoa does contain all the essential amino acids, its overall protein content is relatively low, about 8 grams per cooked cup. Additionally, it's not as protein dense as other sources like legumes, tofu, or animal-based proteins. The quality of the protein is also compromised by the presence of anti-nutrients like saponins, which can impair nutrient absorption.
Finally, let's discuss rice. A cup of cooked rice provides about 5 grams of protein. The good news is it does provide some protein and it is a good source of energy. It's versatile and accessible. The bad news is that 1 cup of cooked rice has around 45 grams of carbohydrates and it lacks complete protein. It's also low in protein compared to other sources. Complement your rice with other protein sources like beans and legumes to ensure you're getting that balanced amino acid profile. Also be mindful of your portion sizes to manage carbohydrate intake.
While these foods may be healthy and offer some protein, they may not be as nutrient dense or as high quality in terms of bioavailability or essential amino acid profiles as other sources like lean meats, eggs, fish, or certain legumes. If you're specifically looking to optimize protein intake, you may want to prioritize more concentrated protein sources.
Thanks for tuning in to Wellness This Way. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this. Hit that bell icon for future notifications. I'll see you next time.